Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect ChatGPT to n8n, so please listen carefully to each step and detail that I will be explaining, and this will help you automate tasks using ChatGPT's AI directly in workflows. So first, you will have to log into your n8n account, and of course, make sure that you already have the plan so that you will be able to access all of its features and its updated version or the full version of the website basically. And after you've logged in, you will have to create a new workflow. And then you will have to add a ChatGPT node or OpenAI node, and then you will enter your OpenAI API keys as credentials, and then you will test the connection by sending a prompt to ChatGPT, and then you will configure the node to generate responses and use them in subsequent workflow nodes. And by the way, if your screen looks different, you can also check under nodes and then you will see AI and then you will click ChatGPT or OpenAI. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.